We're having issues with the lock again. This is the second one, the replacement lock. So as you can see, it can lock fine from the inside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the issues that we're having. So if I press the button and turn the thumb lock to lock it, it gets stuck right there. It doesn't go around, so you can see it's not turning. And I've already taken off the back once, and it was okay for about 24 hours afterwards. I had to take it out, jiggle everything on the inside, but now we've got the same problem again. So if I put my knee there, so press, it just gets stuck. So this is basically the same thing that was happening before. So this is the second lock, and the first one lasted about 9 days. This is the replacement lock, and this one lasted a week. Then I took off the back. It worked for 2 days, and now we're back to this. So it's clearly not functional. It's a rental property, and we can't have guests, getting home at 11 o'clock at night and not being able, A, to get in, or B, to be able to lock when they leave.